Well, hello. So my NAS project. Um, I haven't really used my NAS that much. It's this one. I filled it up with eight 1 TB SSDs, and yeah, I also filled those up to about 75%. So I decided that I'm going to buy mechanical drives instead, because you get more storage for the money, and also mechanical drives are not worn out as fast as SSDs. They will last a lot longer, but the drives are really expensive still, especially the NAS drives. So yeah, I can afford about one NAS drive a month. So it will take me almost a year to get all those drives. And I'm thinking of getting at least 8 TB drives. And I'm going to get 12 of them actually. So that will cost a lot of money, and each drive will cost me like over $300 each. So that will be $3,600. So $3,500 just for the drives. So yeah, this is my old stuff, and I'm actually going to get, let's see, woohoo, this one. So yeah. So what's going to happen is that I'm actually going to retire this old case. That case is about 15 years old now. And yeah, it only got like 2 fans in it. One in the back and one in the front. And the front one is also cooling the hard drives, so to speak. So I got this case. It's humongous compared to the other one. It's really big. It's the Fractal Design Define 7XL. So I got this because you can have up to 18 hard drives in it. Well, at least 14 in the front section of it, or right here. So with the case, I also got 4 of these extra fans. It's the Dynamic X2 GP-14 PVM, and I think 3 of these are included in the case already, so I got another 4 because I wanted to have them in the top. And when I unboxed the case, I was like, yeah, what about that? So there's another box in the box, so to speak. You get this box. It's an accessories box. It's kind of big. It says so like there. It's kind of flat but still big. And by the way, I got the black solid case, so there's no glass side panel, because I'm going to have this case as a server, so it's going to be in the room back there. So it's going to be in a different room. So I don't care if you see everything or not. Anyway, accessories box. Let's see. If we can do. There's the top. So yeah. In here you got the user's guide and warranty and stuff. You got 2 extra of these drive cages, because the case includes 4 of them. And yeah, you got this sort of top cover. You see, for the button and stuff over here, USB. Oh, okay, this is just for the grill. The fans are actually inside the case. So yeah, I'm going to swap this out later on. So let's see, what else do we have? We have this one. I guess this one goes in the front. So you can have 2 5¼ inch bays. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a cover for the front 5¼ inch bay. And I guess, yeah, screws, yeah, screws and stuff. Good to know. So yeah, I will definitely mount this one. So that's the airflow. The airflow, basically. So yeah, the fans. So extra fans. So there will be 3 140mm fans in the front, and then 3 at the top. And I also got memory sticks. And I don't know if you can see it. It says 1 times 32 gigs DDR4 2666. So it's the 32 gig memory stick, and I got 4 of these, so 128 gigabyte. So I will install that on the motherboard. So also a power supply. This big one, it's kind of heavy as well. This is the RM1000X, and it's sort of the ATX 2.0 power supply. It doesn't have the new connector for the 4000 series graphics card, the 8+4 pin or 8+4 connector. So I decided to upgrade the power supply in my main computer and take this old one, put it in this case, because this power supply have a lot of connectors. So we can have, like, I think it has 14 SATA connectors. And that will be perfect because I will have like 12 drives. So yeah, it's 1000 watts as well, so it's more than enough for this. So yeah, that's kind of it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take everything, motherboard, HBA card and stuff, take that out from here and put it in that case. Also, I don't have any mechanical drives yet. I haven't got them yet. I've got these old, really old Western Digital green drives. They're 1 terabyte. These are so old they are actually SATA 2 drives, not even SATA 3. So I'm only going to use this for testing. I have 5 of these. So yeah. And by the way, the drive cages. Let's see. So these ones I have to modify. Let's see if I can actually get into the case. Put that one over there. Let's see if I can get into the case. Okay, it's just, I don't know how this works. Whoops. Okay, so it got this sound dampening material on the inside. Alright, so you don't really see that much. It's kind of dark. I can't really take off the camera. Let's see if I can take the camera off from the stand here without shaking the camera too much. Ooh. Sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, the inside you can see 2 fans in the front and 1 in the back. Motherboard area. So this one, this side panel, is also the hard drive bay. So what you do is that you unscrew some screws and you bring this forward, so it will be like over here. So you put it on the other side, so to speak, this side of the fans. And what you do is that you take these drive cages and you mount them actually onto that big plate like this, and you mount the drive in here. So yeah, so you put, there will be some rubber grommets on top here for vibration stuff. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. And then you put the drive like that. And then you mount that drive onto that board. So yeah, so that's how it will work. So that's the project, to actually move all of that stuff into there, and the power supply is going underneath there. So yeah, this is a huge case. So yeah, so I will make another video on how it's going, because everything is so big. So yeah, catch you later.